Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm checking out the Bozlun W32 OLED smartwatch, available for under $100 online. There's really nothing around the box. It doesn't say anything except smartwatch on top, and opening it up, it's like a nice simple box. We got the watch here. Underneath that, you have the user manual, USB cable to recharge it. I believe it's a 4-pin magnet from what I'm seeing here. Yep, 4-pin magnet. Nothing really, nothing else in the box. So the watch looks a lot similar to the Kingwear KW98 watch I tested out like over a year ago. I think it's been almost 2 years now. Crazy how time flies. But anyways, the nice thing is that that one had like a big gap in between the watch and the bands, but this one doesn't, so that's good. The bands don't look like they're removable, so you're stuck with this. The only thing I remember with the bands, similar to the Kingwear KW98, is that those had a lot of wear and tear within like the first few weeks. So I wonder how this would work within a while. I mean, the bands feel like leather, or they look like leather. I guess they feel like some type of like harder type of leathers. On the back of the watch is the speakers on top, the heart rate monitor, and the place to charge it. Then there's one button here. It's not movable. You can only press on it or hold. So that's kind of the downside, but not too big of a deal. And then we also have, I believe this might be either the microphone or a reset button. So here's what the watch looks like on my arm, and it looks pretty nice and everything. I did change the watch face. There's like up to 6 different ones, I believe. So you can go from this, and there's also this, like the basic one, where you have the battery life, the day, and then I guess you can call from there. Press the call button. So you have buttons here, and they're kind of bigger than a couple other watches that I've seen. I almost forgot to mention that there's a little back button up here that you can press. It takes you back all the way to the home page, but then this also does the same thing, but it'll take you all the way back to the home page instead of going back one. So looking through this for a bit, it's really just running a software called Nucleus OS. This is the same software that's on the DZ09 smartwatch and the Y1 Bluetooth smartwatch that cost about $25 or less. So those watches have the same software. Probably the biggest difference is that you have some wallpapers you can put on the background here, but that's pretty much it. And the user interface, the UI. And I mean, some of them will have like, you'll be able to change the theme like wallpaper. This is going to sound a little unconventional, but I'm going to end the video off here because I just don't see any value this has compared to the other watches. Because why would you pay $85 for this when those are going for 20 bucks and they have the same software? And basically Nucleus OS is just a basic software. Like I said before, you can place calls. You could get notifications on Android. Sometimes there's problems with the BT notifier app that you use on your phone or download on your phone. There's the calendar that you can find your device. You can play some music from here. There's also a pedometer, and this one is actually works. I noticed it. It's pretty accurate, I gotta say. There's also an alarm, and yeah, all that other good jazz that's on Nucleus OS. I'll have the links down below for the videos for the DZ09 and Y1 Bluetooth smartwatch, or I'll probably have like an end screen video here. But besides that, the only reason I would think that someone would want this is the look. Maybe it looks nice to you, to each his own. But yeah, there's really nothing that stands out with this compared to the other watches that are going for like 25 bucks. But either way, I'll be testing out a few more, so be sure to subscribe for that, and leave a like if you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching.